does it feel? Is it hot?
Oh my goodness, in a heartbeat, I will refer all my friends to this. I did the hypothermia dome. I was kind of, worried at first. So when I got in, it was hot. I was thinking, can I stand this? But after some time, it calms down. It was soothing. I was sweating a lot. So I didn't feel any nausea. I didn't feel any dizziness. When I came out, I was myself. So I went to my room, I took my shower. My skin was kind of, reddish, which I think is the capillaries, blood circulation flowing. And I slept real good through the night. And when I woke up, I felt a lot of energy. And I was kind of light, I was able to move very, very fast. I mean, that was a difference compared to, prior to when I took the treatments.
Well, I've been following Marcus for about 4 years now. I had chronic Lyme disease myself a number of years ago. My father was diagnosed with multiple myeloma. I've had a very large interest in alternative treatments for a very long time. And what I have found with Marcus, besides his honesty, authenticity, and is just a one-stop shopping for information about how to deal with things that are going on. Well, the hyperthermia is we do so much to suppress our fever response, and the hyperthermia dome is just an amazing way to induce fever in the body, which triggers the immune response. And my experience there was it was very hot. Sometimes I was a little bit frustrated. I did get my temperature up to almost 104, which sounds shocking to people sometimes. This is what the body needs in order to trigger that healing response. So it was an amazing experience, and I stayed in that state for quite a while. I went home, took a shower, went right to bed, slept like a baby all night. I feel amazing today. We've had another very long day of work, and I feel fantastic. And I know that this is something that's helping me.
Okay, well, I did the hyperthermia chamber treatment, and that was sorry. It was it was amazing because you go through this moment, and it's a big symbolism of life for me, because you're in it and you're going through it, and it's tough and you want to give up, and you literally feel the weight, and it's a symbolism for me to the weight of the world and the struggle, and it's and then when you get out, it's just you have this amazing feeling, and your body feels good and your spirit feels good, and it's just it was just one of the greatest things that I've ever done for myself. And, I hope everyone has a chance to do it. Sorry.
Oh, that's awesome.